Sand and gravel aggregate is an indispensable raw material for building, road, bridge and other infrastructure construction, which plays a role of framework and support. Since the second half of 2018, the large shortage of sand and gravel has caused its continuous price increase. From shortage of goods, scramble for goods and then lack of goods to scramble, sand and gravel aggregates have gradually become the focus of attention in infrastructure construction industry. The annual amount of sand and gravel aggregate used for concrete in China is about 15 billion tons, which is about 20 billion tons per year, accounting for 50% of the world. About 20 billion tons per year, accounting for 50% of the world. In terms of the amount used, aggregate is a huge industry that attracts discerning aspirants. If you want to do a good job, you must first sharpen your tools. As a tool for processing sand and gravel aggregate, gravel production line is very important. It determines the project efficiency and the quality of the finished product, and even affects the investment profit to a certain extent. So, selecting the gravel production line with reasonable process, reliable operation,
convenient maintenance, and intelligent operation is a hot topic for sand and gravel people. We often mention sand and gravel aggregate processing processes are two-stage crushing and three-stage crushing, according to the requirements of the finished product size and the application field to choose. Take three-stage crushing as an example. 1. Coarse crushing. The bulk material is uniformly fed by the vibrating feeder through the bin, and then conveyed to the jaw crusher for coarse crushing.
The coarsely crushed materials are screened by the vibrating screen. It is transported by belt conveyor to impact crusher or cone crusher for fine crushing. 2. Medium fine crushing. The medium and fine crushing, the materials delivered to the counterblast or cone crusher shall be screened by the circular vibrating screen, and the materials with larger particles shall be returned to the counterblast or cone crusher for crushing again. 3. Sand making. The crushed materials are sent to the sand making machine for further crushing and shaping. If clean materials are needed, they can be sent to the sand washing machine for cleaning.